We gotta be out of this spot in 45 minutes.
We have a flat tire.
So today's gonna be a crazy adventure, maybe a little RV tour.
This is where all the magic happens, guys.
Finding out how we're gonna get this part. We gotta put it in on the side of the road. Today we got a flat tire and a leaky, and drive 250 miles to the other side of Florida, so.
Starting route to Bradenton.
Let's get started.
We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
Try something new every day. 6 years ago, we got rid of all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
So hit that subscribe button and come along on the adventure with us. We only get one life to live, so let's live it up. All right, well, today is move day, and I don't know about anybody else out there, but our RV is not perfect. It's actually not perfect most days. But on move day, it especially gets a little crazy because we have to cram things in spots because you don't want it to move around. Yeah, I don't know. If you want to see the RV tour though, the full RV tour, when things are perfect, because we kind of just shoved it in cabinets and drawers and stuff, you can check that video out. But yeah, so move day, as soon as we put this slide in, it gets much tighter in here. I know a lot of RV tour videos, everything is just perfect, but I guarantee you, real life, everyday life does not look like that. All right, so something just dawned on me. Now that I mentioned the RV tour video, I think I might be wearing the same exact outfit. Because what are the chances 3 years later, we're talking about the RV and I have on the same exact outfit. Either that means I don't have many clothes or this was just meant to happen. It was meant to be, I don't know. All right, so I hate walking and feeling stuff on my feet, so I sweep all day, every day, but especially on moving day.
Now our home goes from 300 square feet to about 150 square feet when we slide in this whole wall right here. So
No, it gets smaller.
Nixon loves to slide in the wall. So Nix, you ready to do it?
Yep. All right, all clear?
Yep. Keep going. Don't stop. Nix, just keep going. I like to feel strong, like I helped it out.
I like to drop the jacks.
Do it.
All right, do the jacks nice and easy though, right?
I'm gonna do it very hard so all you guys fall to the ground. Okay, ready? Dropping jacks hard so everybody falls down to the ground.
Next.
What are you doing?
Well, I like to make sure that they're latched, and if they're not, I give them a little kick, and you hear it latch.
Is that the official way to do it?
That's not the recommended way to do it, but generally it's good. Good. Hey, there it goes. There, perfect. All right, so we're doing our final inspection, and something just happened that has never happened before. We have a flat tire. Are you kidding me right now? What the hell? How did that happen? It doesn't even make any sense. You want to try to air it up?
All right, so the great thing is we have our own compressor. So we're gonna pull out the compressor, pump up the tire. The valve stand might have got a little bit loose last night because I aired up all the tires and it went down a little bit and it screws in, so the valve stand hopefully is the problem. But we're gonna find out here in just a sec. So let's pull this out and get this baby pumped up because I don't wanna be sitting here all day waiting on a flat tire.
Our neighbor just said when the jacks went up, he heard a poof.
I like to drop the jacks.
Do it.
So I don't know how that would just pop the tire though. That would be odd, huh?
All right, nothing like a little drama here, huh, baby? I feel like we're in those fast guys. You know those fast guys on YouTube?
My heart is
Facebook,
racing right
Instagram,
now.
whatever it is they see. Oh my God, all right, we gotta go.
All right, so the golf cart guy came over, said someone's pulling in, so we really gotta go. I'm like, I'm so sorry, we got a flat tire. Was not expecting that. So let's do it, let's go.
All right, guys, let's get on the adventure. Let's have some fun, and hopefully we don't have a flat tire.
All right, so let me check the tire actually, and it looks good. Looks better than it did. We're gonna cross fingers that it's all good. But hold on, I don't have the keys to the car. Hey, I need the keys. Jimmy's gonna leave me and I don't have the keys. Okay, what's he doing? So what happened, Jimmy?
Well, you tell me not to go a certain way and I didn't believe you, and then I went that way and then I had to make a roundabout, so. I'm a little stubborn sometimes.
I'm pulling out the camera for this one because I saw the turn. I go, there's no way in hell he's making that turn. But he's so stubborn that he's gonna try to do it anyways. So I go, you know what? And then I saw him realize, I love it.
All right, Sandy.
All right, Jimmy.
Here's your keys and your GoPro.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy it.
Thanks, babe. Bye. This is so funny. I felt somebody on my side and I thought there was a woman standing there, but no, it's the alligator. She creeped me out. I thought somebody was standing right next to me the whole time. We came down this little dirt road. Oh man, we've been so fortunate, right, babe?
Yeah, man, we've been winning.
Issue.
We've been winning with this RV. This isn't really an issue, but we've had this thing for 5 years, done 40,000 miles in this thing, and not ever one issue. Today we got a flat tire and a leaky,
she's our baby.
leaky, what do you call it? Something tank here. So,
oh yeah.
so if that's all we got in 5 years, I'll take all that. Our radiator overfill tank is leaking, so we got to switch out a new one.
Oh, come on, babe, you can do it. There's the new one.
All right, out with the old, in with the new. Let's see if we can get this thing off.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. All right, so we almost lost all our water, but we got it back on, so here we go. All right, we got it, we fixed it. We got the new part in, just tightening up the bolts.
We love our baby. She's part of the family. And anytime there's something wrong, we're like, oh no! It's like our family member's a little sick. So, making her all good again.
All right, one thing we gotta do quite often when we're cruising across country in the RV is get some gas. So usually we put in about 100, 200, see what this one's gonna cost us. Watch out, no, don't go in the front. Got it?
Give me the money!
So one thing we do every time we have a travel day is the kids get to go inside a gas station and get whatever they want within reason. So guys, here's my card.
Is it just gonna be us or is
No, you guys go and record it and let me see what it looks like.
Yeah.
What'd you guys get? $5.70, well, that's a good deal. And mommy got some pizza. All right, we got 80 plus 50. I think that's about 130 bucks in gas here to fill her up. So we already had about a half a tank, so you do the math. I think the other day I put in $100, so 100 times 130 is 230. So yeah, you can see how much money this thing costs after a while. All right, the RV's fueled up, we're fueled up. Now it's time to hit the road and get to 4 hours of driving and hopefully make it there before it gets too dark and we can't see anything. Away we go. Oh my gosh, I'm getting blinded here. We are about 2 hours into our drive and we're out in the middle of nowhere in the middle of the state of Florida, and there's an area called Alligator Alley that we're going through right now. And off to the right is a river that runs for a long time, and I've probably seen 5 or 6 alligators swimming in the river. So that's always fun to try to spot as many gators as possible.
All right, I'm behind the RV. It's been about, I don't know, an hour and a half of driving, so I think we have probably about 45 minutes left. I'm excited to get there, although I just saw an alligator in the river beside me, and so that was really exciting. We haven't seen an alligator in a long time. I think it really feels good to be on the move again. Anyways, so we have lots of plans coming up. Crystal River, the RV show, the boat show, the Miami boat show. There's a lot of stuff happening in the next month. Nixon's birthday. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Lots of fun stuff in store.
All right, sun just set. Everything's going perfect. RV's running great. Got about 100 miles left. And so far, this has been a great travel day. All right, baby, how you doing?
I am doing fantastic. This has been such a nice drive, easy, no traffic, no nothing. It's been great.
All right, so we're about 3 miles away here. We had to pull over on the side of the road. Tonight we're staying at my aunt's house, which is kind of cool because I haven't seen her in about a year. So we're gonna cruise over there and surprise her and do some driveway surfing. So we're almost there. It's only about 8 o'clock at night. Not bad journey at all. About 4 hours of cruising. And we're here from one side of Florida to the other.
We're watching Grown Up.
Is it good?
Yeah, we watched it. Watch this part, watch this part.
So message to all the parents out there, don't pee in the pool. It turns blue.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your left.
Oh my God, we're gonna go see that.
All right, so we're pulling in right now. We got about 4 inches on each side of the RV, so I gotta go in real slow. So I need you guys' help, okay?
You are like a half an inch away from me.
Watch your mirror. There's a car coming, but it's far back, so you got plenty of time. I would say go wider, babe. Come on this side. Oh my God. All right, did it. That'll make your butt pucker.
All right, so we made it here. Let's see. Let's see if we get the RV in the background. That was a tight squeeze getting in there.
I was like, I honked the horn. I'm like, babe, I don't know if you know, but you're about to pop out the window with that pillar.
We had about 4 inches on both sides. That was pretty cool. Let's go inside and meet everybody and wrap up this video, shall we?
Yes, let's do it. Can we help bring anything in?
All right, Sandy, how's it feel to finally be here?
It feels great. We made it with all the issues earlier today with the RV. It's so nice to be here, safe and sound.
All right, guys, so I can definitely say today we got out there and tried something new! Woo! All right, let's get some pizza and drinks.
All right.